Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and doing very good in your life. Back again with a beautiful, trendy and gorgeous ideas and useful style. In this video guys, I'm going to show you different type of amazing and pretty ideas and beautiful style and designs. You can see different type of plus size ladies outfits, different type of amazing layer haircut and trendy and stylish haircut and hair color ideas and style. I hope you guys enjoy these useful and pretty designs. Hope you guys enjoy this latest and gorgeous ideas and lovely style and these beautiful ideas and new designs and new pattern of layer haircut and designs are so lovely and so beautiful, looking very great, looking very trendy, looking very nice, looking very beautiful. Hope you guys enjoy these amazing ideas and lovely style and beautiful pattern and gorgeous layer haircut ideas and designs. These pretty and nice ideas of new haircut and hair color are so good. If you like these amazing haircut designs, if you like these amazing hair color ideas and style, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And I hope you guys enjoy these amazing and perfect ideas and style. Hope you guys enjoy this amazing, lovely and beautiful design. If you have to try this amazing and beautiful haircut and style, you can choose any different haircut. You can choose any different hair color according to your choice, and most important thing, according to your face. Take a screenshot, save your mobile, then you can get this type of amazing haircut from any salon and any parlor. I hope you guys enjoy these amazing ideas. I hope you guys enjoy this beautiful and trendy haircut style. I hope you guys enjoy these amazing designs. I hope you guys enjoy this latest and perfect haircut idea. I hope you guys enjoy all the new layer haircut pattern and designs and style, and these lovely and pretty ideas of new haircut and hair color are so lovely and so beautiful, looking very great, looking very trendy, looking very amazing and beautiful. And thank you so much for watching my new video. We will be right back with another amazing ideas and designs and perfect pattern. And bye bye.